What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to take a look at Kaspa. I don't know, there's a bit, it doesn't really matter, but all right. Take a look at Kaspa. Currently we're sitting at 12 cents. We're up 50% on the day. On the week, it's been moving really nicely. 36%, seeing a market cap 3.21 billion. 24-hour volume 280 million. So zoomed out with the shallowness of this pullback, I would look at a 1, 2, 3, and we pull back in a wave 4. To get that wave 5 target, just take a trend-based wave extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of that 4. And you would target for the wave 5, 61.8, which is at 59 cents, and $1.12, which is a 78.6. So those are some targets to look for this next push to the upside. I've seen a lot of predictions for $10 and above for Kaspa, so we'll have to see how that plays out. But let's zoom in here on the smaller wave counts. So as of right now, off this correction low, we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we can pull back from here. If we do end up doing that, look for a bounce in between 0.0837 and 0.064205. Now, of course, we can just continue to push a bit higher before pulling back. But we've already completed 5 waves. So if we were to pull back from here, that's where you'd look for a bounce back to the upside. Now, if we look at the daily chart, we're just printing the bullish cross. That's exactly what you want to see. Is the 20, the yellow line, the 20 EMA over the 55, which is the blue line. So that's a really good sign. Let's take a look at the weekly, see what we're doing with our EMAs. Okay. I'm just going to remove all drawings momentarily, and then I'll bring it back. Yeah, so as you can see here, we are pushing back above those daily EMAs, or weekly, sorry, the weekly EMAs, but what we want to see is the bullish cross. So it'll take some time, but once you see that bullish cross on the weekly, you see pumps like you just saw right here. Somewhere down here would have been the weekly cross, boom, massive pump to the upside. So you're about to print that once again. So that's exactly what you want to see. So in the short term, we pull back from here. Watch this zone, could offer a good entry for a trade. If we do pull back from here, because you have wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. But if we continue to push up, then we just push a little bit higher before the pullback, and our larger wave count targets are in between 58 cents and $1.15. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitfinex, no strings attached, no KYC, no VPN. You can check out my tutorial. It's pinned at the end of the video. Once you sign up, send me an email, take 30 seconds of your time, and I'll send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, as well as my trades. We're currently in a trade for Ethereum. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, crypto news. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex, one of the best deals on YouTube, in my opinion. All links down below. Check out the top links in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.